Hey everyone, welcome to our podcast. I am Michael.
And I'm Melroy. Today, we are going to talk about one of the craziest rivalry in UFC, Ultimate Fighting Champion, Conor McGregor versus Khabib Abdulmanaphovich Nurmagomedov.
Yeah, this wasn't just a fight, it was a drama, culture, business, and history all mixed together.
So grab your headphones because today we're breaking down everything: the background, the trash talking, the fight, the chaos, and what it means to the UFC. So let's start with the background. Start with.
Let's start who these guys are. Conor McGregor, born in Dublin, Ireland, plumbers.
Apprentice.
बंद कर रहे तू एक एक
तू
होने
क्या
का
रे?
बंद कर रही है ऐसा ऐसा ऐसे ही रिकॉर्ड कर दे तू. Let's start with who these guys are. Conor McGregor, born in Dublin, Ireland, a plumber's apprentice who became the biggest star in MMA with his left hand knockout power and crazy confidence.
On the other side, Khabib Nurmagomedov from Dagestan, Russia, raised in the mountains, trained by his father, even wrestled a bear as a child. He became UFC's most dominant grappler in UFC history.
Their fighting styles couldn't be more different. McGregor was a Persian striker. One punch could change the fight.
Khabib was relentless with wrestling and ground and pound. Once he got you down, good luck, my friend. You're never coming up.
So already it's a striker versus grappler. Classic MMA clash. But with them it became much more personal. बंद कर.
Coming to the fight, the tension was really stressed in 2016-17. McGregor, the biggest name in the sport, he had beaten Jose Aldo in 13 seconds knockout, then moved to beat up Eddie Alvarez to come to the second division champion. ये पकड़ रहे.
साले बंद कर. Meanwhile, Khabib was climbing the ranks. He was undefeated, smashing everyone, but he wasn't flashy or loud. Still, real fight fans knew Khabib was trouble for everyone.
Then came the famous bus incident in 2018 April. McGregor flew from Ireland to New York, stormed the arena, and threw a dolly at the bus carrying Khabib.
Yeah, that was crazy. Windows shattered, fighters were injured. McGregor did it because earlier Khabib and his team had confronted McGregor's friend Artem Lobov. Conor wanted revenge.
That moment turned the rivalry into sport, into something deeper. It wasn't just hype, it was personal now, and the whole world wanted to see them fight.
Press conference made it even bigger. McGregor went full trash talk mode. He insulted Khabib's father, his religion, and even his country.
But unlike most fighters, Khabib didn't play along. He stayed calm, serious, and promised to make McGregor pay inside the cage, inside the octagon.
This wasn't your usual fight promotion. It was hate versus respect. Showman versus silent warrior. The UFC had never seen anything like it.
Coming to the biggest UFC fight, October 6, 2018, UFC 229. The T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas was packed. Millions were watching worldwide.
Round 1, Khabib immediately went for the takedown. McGregor defended for a while, but Khabib got him down and controlled the round.
Round 2 was huge. Khabib dropped McGregor with a punch, surprising everyone, and then mauled him up to the ground. And that was the pure domination.
Round 3, McGregor had a bit of success on the feet, but he looked tired. Round 3, McGregor had a bit of success on the feet, but he looked tired. The pressure from Khabib was too much.
In round 4, Khabib dragged him again and again and locked him to the neck and cranked. McGregor tapped out, and Khabib had beaten the biggest star in the UFC history.
But what happened after even crazier? Khabib jumped out of the cage and attacked Bankar. But what after was even crazier? Khabib jumped out of the cage and attacked Mega's teammate
The Leon Dennis.
Meanwhile, inside the cage, Khabib's went after Megas.
It turned into chaos. Security rushed in. Fans were screaming. The UFC had a mess in their hands. It was one of the wildest scenes in sports history.
After the match, the Nevada Athletic Commission fined both fighters. Khabib was suspended for 9 months, Magog for 6 months.
But instead of hurting them, the drama made even bigger stars. UFC 229 became the most watched pay-per-view in MMA history. Over 2.4 million buys.
Magog came back later but never really reached the same level of domination. Khabib kept winning, then retired in 2020 at 29-0 after his father passed away.
He left as one of the greatest ever. McGregor is still fighting, still famous, but Khabib's legacy is untouched and will remain untouched.
The legacy. So what's the legacy of Magog versus Khabib?
It showed that fighting isn't about just a skill, it's culture, pride, and values. McGregor brought entertainment, Khabib brought discipline.
It also proved that styles make fights. No matter how good a striker is, a dominant grappler like Khabib can change everything.
And honestly speaking, it gave us one more unforgettable night in UFC history.